So we decided to run a pasta dish outside. I have some shrimp here, just sprinkle on some seasoning, whatever I could find. After melting some butter in the pot with some garlic, we went ahead and add the shrimp. We also have some water boiling over there for the pasta. Alright. To get this paste. So after about 4 minutes, remove the shrimp. Add in some scallion, scotch bonnet and a few pieces of garlic. Just let that saute for a few minutes, and then here I am adding some coconut milk because we don't have any heavy cream or anything like that, but we're making it work. Season it up nice and proper until it has our desired taste, and I'm adding some parmesan cheese to top it off. Add back my shrimp. I'm also adding back the pasta, and we're gonna give them another 3 minutes, and then just like that, dinner is ready. It wasn't my best pasta dish, but it tastes good and we all enjoyed it.